Good morning! It's another beautiful day to sell, and today, ang gagawin natin, may pupuntahan tayong I think 2 or 3 properties, o baka nga 3 to 4 pa, kasi we will be doing inspection, property inspection, due diligence. So pag nagbebenta tayo ng property, pag nagbebenta kami ng property, we make sure na nakita na namin yung property na binibenta namin. Kasi syempre, we want to make sure na pag nagdala tayo ng client doon, alam natin kung ano yung pinapakita natin. We know how to explain things. We know how to describe it when we market it. So, kailangan talaga you have a knowledge of the product that you are selling. So, basic naman yan sa sales, no? Na, syempre, paano mo ibibenta yung something that you don't know or something that you are not familiar with. So, ayan, yan yung pupuntahan natin later. And, may kasama akong siguro mga 3 kami or 4, I'm not sure. So, ayan, kasi the reason why, kasi we share listings. So, meron kaming group that we share our listings to each other para it's easier for us to sell it or to market it. Tapos, mas nagiging wide yung network. Kasi, syempre, kung kunyari, isa ka lang, di yung network mo lang yung nabibentahan mo. But if you share it with others, lumalaki yung reach ng network nyo. So, mas more chances of winning. So, yan na pupunta tayong ngayon. Ponderosa Leisure Farms. That's along Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, in Silang, Cavite. And then after that, meron tayong mga properties na pupuntahan naman sa Tagaytay. So, it's gonna be a full day of opportunities, learning, and fun as usual. So, yan. Stay tuned. Mag-road trip tayo today. So, see ya! Good morning! So, ayan, nandito na kami. Punta na yung Festival Mall kasi susunod si Tita Nick doon. Okay. Baka makalimutan ko lang kaya ako sinasabi. Baka mamaya dumiretso na tayo doon. Okay, so, 2 na kami. May pipikapin na isa. So, see you later. So, hello guys. Ayan, 3 na kami ngayon. So, papunta kami ng Ponderosa Leisure Farms muna. Okay?
Yes.
Titignan namin yung house and lot. Isang house and lot doon. Tapos pupuntahan na rin natin yung listing ni Tita Nick para at least ma-promote natin. And then after that, may meet pa kaming isang broker and then punta kaming Tagaytay. So, see ya!
See ya!
So, hi guys! Nandito naman kami sa lote ni Tita Nick, yung binibenta ni Tita Nick na lote. So, 4 na kaming vlog. Shoutout! Yeah.
Shoutout sa mga tropa.
So,
Barangay 3, Sitio 4.
magulo tong kasama ko. So, 4 na kaming brokers ngayon. Ayan. So, magtatrabaho kami.
Yes.
Hindi, nagtatrabaho kami ngayon. So, ayan.
Ay, saan na?
Tita Nick, ilang square meters tong lote na to?
997.
997.
Here.
Ayan. Teka, wait lang. Magtatrabaho na kami. Okay, so we are selling this lot. This residential lot is 997 square meters. And this is at 12,000 per square meters. So, ayan. Maganda yung community dito. It's very exclusive. Mamaya pupuntahan natin yung clubhouse. Ayan. So, ito yung lote. So, makikita nyo, ang street ay maluwag. Ayan. Napakaganda dito. It's like a flower village. Flower village. Ayan. So, yan. 997 square meters at 12,000 per square meter. So, let me know if you're interested. Hello guys! So, papunta na kami ng ng Tagaytay ngayon. Ayun si Chris nasa likod namin. Susunod, susunod siya. Pupunta kami sa... Saan tayo pupunta
Sa Maharlika West.
Patutong malaki Tagaytay.
Maharlika West first.
North.
Maharlika West.
Maharlika
West. Patutong malaki.
Pero yung sa'yo, Maharlika North. Oo, bago yan. Maharlika North?
Malaki North.
Malaki
North.
North. So ayan ako, ang mga nakikita namin dito paglabas namin ng Ponderosa, may Mama Luz,
May Ripchon.
may brow, base,
Balay
Grabe,
Mario.
So maganda na dito guys, tapos maganda pa yung weather. So magandang bilhin yung mga properties dito. So hello guys, andito kami sa Tagaytay. This fourth property na pinuntahan natin today. So this property is actually parang a rest
Vacation
house.
house.
Vacation house. So it's 3,200 square meters more or less. And then merong house, two-story house. Ang laki ng
7
house, no?
bedrooms.
7 bedrooms.
Big size bedrooms.
And all bedrooms have their own toilet and
Ensuite.
bath. And then, malaki yung kitchen and dining area. Open kitchen. Open layout
yung
kitchen ba to?
master's bathroom, jets yung
Oo, nakita
Did you
ko.
see?
Yes, oo. So makikita niyo sa pictures yung yung layout. Pero napakaganda talaga ng nung breeze dito. So maganda siyang vacation home or retirement home. So we will post the details here. So, ang sarap po. Baka makatulog kami. Ayan. So, okay ba dito? Oo. So, yung price ipopost na lang din namin. Pero may katabi tong
Actually, ang daming dinedevelop sa area. Sa likod niya, may resort na dinedevelop.
Oo.
Tapos may restaurant, may events place
Yes.
just down the street.
malapit. Saan siya malapit? Matter Day?
Matter Day.
Matter
Yung
Day
entrance from
Academy.
Mahogany is Matter Day Street, Academy.
Academy. Oo. Tapos may katabing pineapple plantation. Oo.
And street.
And creek. Oo. Pero at least wala kang katabi.
Wala
Oo.
kang katabi.
So, iikot namin kayo guys dito sa property para makita niyo yung saan na hangin? Wait lang, makakatulog muna kami bago namin kayo ikot. See ya! So, hi guys! Natapos na namin ang aming property viewings for today. And ngayon, ayan, kakain na kami dito sa
Sarap. Casa Florina.
Casa Selina. Ayan. So,
Sarap, guys.
so ayan ang
Let's
aming
eat.
food. Let's
Kain lang
eat. Oo. Tapos later, update namin kayo kung what time kami makaka-uwi. Thank you!
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so tapos na ang ating property viewing.
Yeah.
4 properties. Isa sa silang 3 Tagaytay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ipopost natin yan, yung mga properties na yan. So, guys, dahil bagong kain kami, alam ko na, natutulugan ako ng mga pasahero ko.
Yeah.
Alam na natin.
Itong itsura ng mga busog. Look.
Tapos may unan pa yung isa sa likod.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, ayun, just wait for our update sa ating properties for sale. So, thank you for joining us today. Thank you to my co-brokers, to my friends.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. See ya! Sabi ko sa inyo, tulog na po. Ito mamaya, malapit na to. This one's for the boys in the polos, entrepreneur niggas, and sumabay ka sa akin. We solo, but I think I like it better when it's solo, and I think I like it better when